Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising PA2 syllabus. So today we will be revising worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. So children, please take out page number 29 as this passage and related to passage question answers is not necessary to learn, children. Let us see B bit. Find the words from the text to replace the words in brackets and complete the sentences. So here you have to write one more meaning of the given words in the bracket. Now for example, first one, from the top of the tower everything down below looked dash. In a bracket, very small. So what is the other word for very small? Tiny. Second, I don't like the bitter dash in the bracket taste of cocoa powder. So taste is having one more meaning, that is flavor. Next, third, we prepared a grand dash to celebrate my grandmother's birthday. So in the bracket, a special meal with very good food. So what does it mean? Nothing but grand feast to celebrate my grandmother's birthday. Well, grammar bit, look at these pictures and complete this table. So happy, happier, happiest. One picture will be shown to you and you have to identify the before and after words. It is nothing but degrees of comparison. Okay, superlative degree, comparative degree and positive degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, in the comparative degree we will be adding ER. In the superlative degree, EST. And here it will be a single adjective. Happy, happier, happiest. Young, younger, youngest. Fast, faster, fastest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, well, next B bit. Complete these sentences with the correct words. First one, Nita baked a cake. It was the dash cake I have ever had. So in the bracket, delicious. So what do you have to add here? Most delicious, superlative degree. Okay, next, second, the sums in this book are dash than the sums in that book. So in the bracket, difficult. So than, whenever it comes, we have to use more difficult. Okay, next, third one, I thought that the fifth story in the book was the dash of all. In the bracket, interesting. So this story is compared with all the other storybooks. So most interesting you have to use. Fourth, Tarun is the dash person I know. Among all the person, he is the best. So most helpful you have to use. Fifth one, a car is dash than a scooter. Than it can. So we have to use here more powerful. Sixth, football is one of the dash sports in the world. So one of the most popular sports in the world. Vocabulary bit. So it's a compound word, children. You have to use your keyhole, forehead, handbag, footprint, eyeball, matchstick, keyhole, eyeball, footprint, handbag, forehead, matchstick, in this way. And here next one is punctuation bit. You have to use apostrophe. He is nothing but he apostrophe s. We are, we apostrophe re. Could not, could n apostrophe t, couldn't. Does not, does n apostrophe t, doesn't. Would not, nothing but would n apostrophe t, wouldn't. You are, nothing but you apostrophe re, your. Okay, this bit and this bit is not necessary. B bit and writing part is not necessary. Now turn the page. Worksheet number 6, this passage is not necessary and based on that questions is also not necessary, children. Okay, now let us see B bit. Circle the words which mean the same as the ones in color. The meaning you have to identify. Assembled meaning is gathered, scattered or lost. Yes, the answer is gathered. Second, reward, fine, payment, price. The answer is price. Third, arrange, disturb, to set or remove. Arrange means to set. Next, grammar part. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in brackets. First one, my mother dashed for work at 8 a.m. every day. So whenever the daily routine comes, we have to add s or es. So leaves here, leaves, leaves. Next, Nivi dashed and hurt herself. So fell. The correct verb is fell and hurt herself. Third one, Ramya dash hockey every day. Daily routine it is, so we have to add s. So Ramya plays. Next, Ravi dash in a bracket speak Telugu very well. So whenever the boy, he, she, it name comes, we have to use here speaks s form. Fifth one, my aunt dash my broken toy with glue. My aunt repairs. Next, sixth one, the teacher dash us a new lesson yesterday. So the teacher teaches. Okay children, now let us see main verbs and helping verbs. So what are helping verbs here? Helping verbs are nothing but is, am, are, do, was, were, which helps the main verbs are called helping verbs. And what do you mean by main verbs? Main verbs are nothing but the verbs will be in ing form, okay, or else it will be a just verb, and it comes after helping verbs. Now let us see. Preeti is wearing a lovely dress. So what is here? Is nothing but helping verb, and wearing is main verb. Second, I play basketball for my school. So play is nothing but here main verb. I play, main verb. Next, third one, please do the dishes later. Here do is nothing but helping verb. Fourth one, the jeweler made a lovely necklace. Here made is nothing but main verb. Fifth one, Aman and Priya are in the kitchen baking cookies. Here baking is nothing but main verb. Sixth one, the lion was looking at the deer. So was is nothing but helping verb. Seventh, we were cycling around the lake yesterday. So were is nothing but helping verb here. Alright children, next bit is of adding here an or dis to make it a opposite. Like for example, happy and happy, agree, disagree, fair, unfair, honest, dishonest, fold, unfold, healthy, unhealthy, obey, disobey. So only this you have to learn. Okay children, understood? So with this we have completed 5th and 6th worksheets. This bit is not necessary to learn, and this bit is also not necessary to learn. Well children, that's all for today. Take care and all the best for the exams. Bye-bye.